Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to do an experiment that simulates the greenhouse gas effect. Let's get right to it. So what we're going to need is a nice sunny environment like the one I'm in right now, vinegar and baking soda, 2 water bottles or similar containers, and something to measure the temperature with. For example, I happen to have an infrared temperature gun, but a normal thermometer might work fine as well. So the greenhouse gas effect basically refers to the idea that heat is trapped within Earth's atmosphere and can't escape. That's what's causing global warming. And right now, I've had these 2 bottles here sitting in the sun, getting and trapping heat in them. So let's just take a quick look and see what their temperatures are. This one has a temperature of about 72. This temperature of this bottle is about 75 degrees, just under it. All right, so carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, and basically it exacerbates the greenhouse gas effects and traps even more heat in Earth's atmosphere, and which is why we're trying to stop carbon emissions, because that's what's causing global warming, because of the human activities. So to simulate that, we have vinegar and baking soda, and I'm going to put that vinegar into this bottle and then the baking soda into this bottle. That's going to create carbon dioxide. What you want to do actually after that is quickly pour out a colder solution that forms, and because that's going to interfere with the experiment, and then you're going to close the cap quickly. So I will demonstrate that. I'm about to do that. So we have the vinegar. All right, so I'm about to put the baking soda in, and like I said earlier, you want to quickly dump out the liquid that forms from the reaction, because that liquid is actually colder and will interfere with the experiment. And I'm just going to dump it into this container because I happen to have it over here. All right, here we go. Now you want to quickly close the container for some time, let it settle. Okay. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just deposit it in another container right here. And then quickly close it, because this should still have CO2 trapped inside it, because CO2 is heavier than the air, and so it's gonna escape less easily. So close this quickly, and also close the other one. All right, so let's wait for, say, 10, 15, 20 minutes. Just let it sit out in the sun and see what happens. Okay, so I've waited about 20 minutes, and now I'm going to go measure the temperature of each water bottle. We should expect to find that the water bottle that I put baking soda and vinegar in should be warmer, because that's the one that has CO2 trapped in it, and that's the one that would cause more greenhouse gas effect and thus be warmer. So let's see. So about 81 here, and about nearly 83 degrees in here. So we see that, in fact, the bottle that had the baking soda and vinegar and thus the carbon dioxide ended up being the bottle that warmed up more compared to the other bottle. This supports the greenhouse gas theory and the role that carbon dioxide plays in exacerbating it. Thank you.